Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up direct deposit TD Bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in TD Bank direct deposit. And once you do that, here tap on the first link that is shown to you, that is TD Bank. And once you do that, you'll be sent to this article right here, and there are two options, that is employer payroll or federal benefits. Simply select the option that is preferable to you, and once you do that and scroll down here, in order to complete the direct deposit you will need your account number, bank routing, transit number and type of account. And all you gotta do is tap on this download the form and then fill up the PDF form as well, or you can just call this number and then talk to the agent for the direct deposit process. And the things that you need the most in order to set up your direct deposit are routing number and account number. When you have these two key components for the direct deposit, now you will now be able to set up direct deposit through the PDF form process or by simply calling to the bank agent. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.